If you're using Dropified, Opinew can help you import reviews to all of the products that you have in Dropified, but you can also import them in bulk for all of the products at the same time with one click. Let me show you how to do this. First of all, you need to go ahead and find the Opinew Chrome extension in the Chrome Web Store. You need to install it. You can find it under Opinew Shopify Reviews Importer. Install it. After you install it, head over to Opinew Admin and activate it. To activate it, head over to Reviews, Product Reviews menu, Import Settings, and click this button. This shows that our extension is already active because we activated it before, but it would be the same button here. So just click it to activate. Once the extension is active, make sure that it displays here in the dock. If you have a lot of extensions, it might be hidden. Let me show you. So if it's not pinned, it will not show, but you can pin it to always be present in your shortcut menu here. Once you have it done, head over to Dropified and go to Saved Products, Connected Products. In here, you will find the list of all the products that you have connected into your Shopify store by Dropified. And after a few seconds, this Import Reviews button will start appearing. And if you want to import one by one, this is what you do. You click on this button, you select however many reviews you want to import. You select the range of stars. I recommend all. It looks more genuine. You need some negative reviews. You choose whether you want to translate those reviews or if you want to import reviews only with images. After that, click Import Reviews here and reviews will start importing. So if you want to import for all of your products in bulk, because you have a lot of them, just like we have here, we might not want to do it one by one. All you need to do is click on the Chrome extension once you're in this menu, in the Connected Products, Saved Products menu, and click on the Bulk Import button. After that, you will select the number of reviews for each product that you want to import, and we will choose a random number between those two numbers to import reviews, just so it doesn't look fake, so that all of your products don't have the same number of reviews imported. The rest of the options are very similar as before, with the exception of the last one, to only import reviews for new products. So let's say if you imported before, you have some reviews already, and you don't want to update them, they're all good, but you just want to import for all the new products that you just added. This is what you would click, and afterwards click Import Reviews for all products. There are two edge cases for Amazon and AliExpress that you need to look for because sometimes reviews might not import, and let me show what could be the causes. So in here we look at this product. So if this product is unavailable, reviews will not import. The second thing that might happen on Amazon is that the ratings might not reflect the same number that you wanted to import, because those ratings are combining star-only reviews and text reviews. We can only import text reviews. So let me show you what this means. If we go ahead and look at all reviews, this shows us that this product has 1,430 global ratings, but only 272 global reviews. And so those reviews are the ones that we can import. Now let me show you what can happen on AliExpress. So even though this product shows us that it has 491 reviews, so first of all, you need to check whether the reviews are there on AliExpress, but if they are there, there could be a glitch with AliExpress where even though it shows that it has reviews, this whole place will show an empty space, and that means that we cannot import reviews. It's a glitch on AliExpress. All you need to do is wait a few minutes, a few hours, and see whether the reviews are showing again. When that's the case, you can be safe, feel safe to import reviews from that product, and they will import into Opinew.